డిక్లేర్ చేసుకుంటూ వచ్చేసాం. అంటే 2 వేరియబుల్స్ డిక్లేర్ చేసుకొని ఆ 2 వేరియబుల్స్లో లెస్ దెన్ ఏది ఉంది, గ్రేటర్ దెన్ ఏది ఉంది అని ఐడెంటిఫై చేసుకున్నాం. అంటే చిన్నది ఏది, పెద్దది ఏది, లేకపోతే ఈక్వాలిటీగా ఉన్నాయా లేదా అని చెక్ చేసుకున్నాం. అలాంటి కండిషన్స్ మీరు మల్టిపుల్గా ఎప్పుడైతే చెక్ చేసుకోవాలని అనుకుంటారో అప్పుడు మీకు ఈ లాజికల్ ఆపరేటర్స్ అనేవి యూజ్ అవుతాయి. ఓకే, లాజికల్ ఆపరేటర్స్లో లాజికల్ అండ్ లాజికల్ ఆర్, లాజికల్ నాట్. ఓకే, సో ఇక్కడ మీకు లాజికల్ అండ్, టూ అండ్ సింబల్స్ యూజ్ చేస్తాం. ఓకే, లాజికల్ ఆర్, ఓకే, టూ ఆర్ సింబల్స్. నెక్స్ట్ నాట్, ఓకే, లాజికల్ నాట్ ఎక్స్ప్లెనేటరీ. ఆశ్చర్యార్థం. Here whenever you are checking the two conditions, like for example by using of comparison operators you are checking, so the condition it gets true and true. Okay, it returns true. Okay, the condition either false, either left side or right side, all the cases you can get an false only. Okay, true and true, true, true and false. I will make the small chart type. Okay, you are checking the two conditions, assuming like for example you declare the two variables where 1 is equal to 10, where 2 is equal to 20. Okay, now you are checking the conditions here. One is less than or equal to 2. Okay, and 2 is greater than 1. Okay, so in this case just observe what is the first condition. In condition 1 it is an true or false.
2 కంటే తక్కువ.
Okay, so 20, sorry, first is 1, right? 10 is greater than or equal to 20. Okay, so here the condition is an true, and 20 is greater than 10. Okay, now the two conditions are first condition and the second condition are true. Okay, so you can get the true. Okay, here I am writing the chart type like first condition 1, condition 2. Okay, so if the both the conditions are true, okay, true and true, you are getting left side and right side, you will get the output is also true. Condition 1 and condition 2. Okay, so you can get as an true. Next, condition 1 is false, condition 2 is also false, you can get false. Okay, you are checking the AND operator, you can get false. One false, one true. Here also you can get false. Okay, next true and false. Here also you can get the false. Only whenever రెండు కండిషన్ 1 కండిషన్ 2 రెండు ఎప్పుడైతే ట్రూ అవుతున్నాయో అప్పుడు మాత్రమే ట్రూ వస్తుంది, రిమైనింగ్ అన్ని టైమ్స్లో ఫాల్స్ వస్తుంది. ఇట్ రిటర్న్స్ ఫాల్స్. నెక్స్ట్ ఆర్ ఆపరేటర్. In R operator same thing, it is an opposite. Whenever you are getting the false at that case, you can get the false. Remaining all the times you can get a true. For example, you are using that or symbol, okay, or true plus true, it isn't true. False, second condition is also false, you can get the false. Okay, so third condition is true, and here you can get the false, you can get true. False and true, you can get true. Okay, so this returns statements. Okay, logical and we are using for whenever you want to check the multiple conditions. Okay, at that cases you can use this one. Not only two, you want to add one more, you can use that. You want to check the AND operators here, that is also is possible. Okay, not only one, you can take it as on multiple conditions. Okay, next one, opposite. For example, you are using the not. Okay, so here your output is untrue, you are checking the condition, that is untrue, it converts as false. Okay, next, false if given, it converts on true. Okay, it is an opposite. For example, given true, it converts as false. False if given, it converts to true. Okay, so now I am writing down a small example, just observe once. Save our program, logical operators .html. Okay, save as type as in all files. Save our program. Doc type HTML, HTML. Okay, so body, inside the body I'm taking as script tag. Okay, type is a text or JavaScript. Okay, so inside of this I'm taking as an okay, so inside of this you can use an variables I'm declare, where 1 is equal to 10, where 2 is equal to 30. Okay, so inside of your document dot write you are checking the condition, and again you are taking one more variable where 3 is equal to 40. Okay, where 3 is equal to 40. Document dot write okay, here I am checking the condition 1 is greater than, sorry, 1 is less than or equal to 2. Okay, and 2 is less than or equal to 3. Okay, so 1 is less than or equal to 2 and 2 is less than or equal to 3. Okay, so here what is the output?
True, sir.
Right, save your program, run it once. Okay, here T is missing. Okay, you are getting the output is an. So whatever the next one you want to comment next line, you can use the break tag. Okay, next you want to check in one more situation. Document dot write one is greater than or equal to 2 and 2 is less than 3. Here what is the output?
False.
False. Okay, save. Okay, it is making as an string concatenation, so that's why we are getting as an that false 2. Okay, true and false. Okay, you are adding any texts inside of your compulsory you need to put it in within a brackets. We already done a arithmetic operators, right? Inside of your arithmetic or operator also we done this like plus within double quotes I'm taking as a break tag. Okay, so like that you can practice remaining things. Okay, so I'm giving the R also. This one you understand, right? So based
Yes,
on
sir.
this you can practice the remaining things. Okay, I need to explain remaining also, you can practice.
సార్ మన కండిషన్ వేరియబుల్ స్టోర్ చేసి ఆ వేరియబుల్ మనం ప్రింట్ చేయొచ్చు కదా సార్.
అలా కూడా చేసుకోవచ్చు. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇస్ డౌట్, ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ టేకిన్ వన్ వేరియబుల్ వేర్ 4 ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు, ఓకే, సో ఇక్కడ 3 ఈజ్ గ్రేటర్ దెన్ 2 ఆర్ ఆర్ 2 is greater than 1.
బ్రాకెట్స్ 1.
No need. You are using the same thing. No need. Okay, only one variable you are using, no problem. Whenever you are attaching the strings, okay, so at that time compulsory you need to use in brackets.
ఓకే.
Okay, so you are adding any strings at that time, it making as a concatenation. Okay, so directly you are taking, no need. Inside the variable, see, directly you can print this variable document dot write, okay, so 1 is the name, variable name 4, okay, write down that 4. Okay, so you are getting as a true is your output. Okay, clear?
Yes sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
practice once, not and also. Okay,
Okay, sir.
okay, I will complete one more operator also is there, bitwise operators. You all people know binary numbers, binary to decimal conversions.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You want to make it as an bitwise operators, compulsory you need to know that binary number. For example, what is the 8 binary number?
వన్ జీరో వన్ అండి.
1000.
1300. Yes, 1300 is in your 8. Okay, so here you can use same as it is and or not. Okay, so here also you can use and or, but here only one